Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Nursery class, today we are going to learn how to write the counting from 31 to 40. And you have to do this work on your Al Hira Maths workbook. So this is your Al Hira Maths workbook. And before starting the work, I would like to share something with you. So we learn how to hold a pencil. Put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Put your thumb and your forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the cone-shaped part of the pencil, and let the pencil rest between your thumb and your forefinger. Then put your middle finger underneath for support, and then put your middle finger underneath for support. And this is the right way to hold a pencil. So don't do these ways to hold the pencil. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. These are wrong ways to hold the pencil. 31 to 40. We have to drill the counting from 31 to 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Okay, now let's start. How to write number 31? Here we have two columns, tens column and units column. And as you know, as I told you before, that we always write ones numbers in units place, and we write tens numbers in tens place. And which numbers are ones numbers? The one digit numbers are called ones numbers, which stands in the units place. And what are the ones numbers? With the numbers which starts from the 0 to 9, they are called ones numbers, and the numbers which starts from the 10 to 99 are the tens numbers. You can see that the number from 0 to 9 is one digit number. So one digit number is ones numbers, and the two digit numbers 10 to 99, these numbers are two digit numbers, and two digit numbers are stands in tens place. So two digit numbers are tens numbers. Okay, now let's write. How to write number 31? Write 3 in tens place and 1 in units place. Write 3 in tens place and 1 in units place. So this is the way we make 31. We make 31. 3 means 3 tens. 3 means 3 tens. So 3 tens means the 3 tens is equal to 31s. 3 tens equal to 31s. So when we have to write number 31, we must write the number 3 in the tens place and 1 in units place. How to write number 32? So write 3 in tens place and 2 in units place. Write 3 in tens place and 2 in units place. This way we make 32. 3 tens and 2 ones. 32. Now we have to write number 33. And how we write the number 33? Write 3 in tens place and another 3 in units place to write number 33. Write 3 in tens place and another 3 in units place to write number 33. So 3 tens and 3 ones, 33. Now we have to write number 34. So how we write number 34? We must write 3 in tens place and 4 in units place. We must write the 3 in tens place and number 4 in units place. This way we make 34. So 3 tens and 4 ones, 34. Now we have to write 35. So how to write 35? Write 3 in tens place and 5 in units place. Write 3 in tens place and 5 in units place. This is way we make 35. This way we make 35. So 3 tens and 5 ones are equal to 35. How to write 36? Write 3 in tens place and 6 in units place. Write 3 in tens place and 6 in units place. This is the way we make 36. This is the way we make 36. 3 tens and 6 ones is equal to 36. Now how to write 37? Write 3 in tens place and write 7 in units place. Write 3 in tens place and write 7 in units place. So this is the way we make 37, and 3 tens and 7 ones are equal to 37. How to write number 38? Write 3 in tens place and write 8 in units place. Write 3 in tens place and write 8 in units place to write number 38. So this way we make 38. So 3 tens, 8 ones, 3 tens and 8 ones are equal to 38. Now how to write 39? Write 3 in tens place and write 9 in units place. Write 3 in tens place and write 9 in units place to write number 39. So by this way we make 39. So 3 tens and 9 ones are equal to 39. Now we have to write number 40. So we must write 4 in tens place and 0 in units place. Here we have no unit, no ones. Here we have no ones, 0 ones we have here, and 4 tens we have here. So 4 tens and 0 ones is equal to 40. So write 4 in tens and 0 in units place. This way we make 40. So 4 tens are equal to number 40. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So these are 40 apples. We have learned the counting from 1 to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Very good. Okay, now drill counting from 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Very good. So we drill the counting from 1 to 50. So my dear students, you must do practice of to write the counting from 31 to 40 with the help of your parents, and must do the work on the Al Hira Maths workbook. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.